So for my video, I am going to install the Pemko threshold seal right here. And first off, I just peel it out, just pull right out, and that's really easy. Second step, I get this 3M08897 dry type. That way it's sticky and doesn't attract dust, and it'll allow the seal to slide in real easily. So let's begin. Spray it in there. Easy peasy. And the blue tool I have is a small tool I got in a car panel remover toolkit. It was like $5, I think $8 on Amazon. It's really nice because it's a blunt tip, but it's soft and plastic. And what I do is put the bottom side in the channel first, and then using the tool I slightly engage the top and I push that down so it slides into the top channel, and I slide along and it just easily slips in. And that's pretty much it.